basics to understand what a mask is. Once you understand what masks are and how they work, you'll probably think of all kinds of creative ways to use them. Simply put, masks are used to select something for editing or compositing while protecting or hiding everything else. Let's look at how an image mask works. This type of mask is used to hide part of an image without actually deleting it. We call this a layer mask, just to help you visualize it. The mask hides the parts of the image you don't want to see. Image masks are actually used for all types of digital content and applications that support layers, including shapes, image adjustments, and text. Masks can even be used for animation and video. Layer groups can also be masked. A layer mask or image mask hides what you don't want to see, and it does this non-destructively. Masks hide. They do not cut or delete anything. Think of the mask as a photo mat. Imagine you have a photo print of this peacock, and you put a mat board with an oval cutout on the photo. The matted photo then goes into a frame. The mat hides some of the photo, but all of the print still exists inside of the frame behind the mat. Photoshop is the primary application we think about for image layer masking, but masks are found in other applications too, like Adobe Illustrator, Fresco, and After Effects. Wherever these masks are found, the concept is the same. A mask is itself an 8-bit image made with pixels ranging from white to black and all areas of gray in between. The white area of a mask reveals the contents of whatever is being masked. The black area conceals or hides it, and gray areas partially conceal. For example, a mask edge can be feathered like this to allow it to blend into whatever is behind it. That could be another image or a solid color blue like this. Image masks are commonly used for compositing in Photoshop. Here's an example of using a mask to remove the background so the subject can be composited into a new scene. In this example, the mask removes the sky, revealing the image below it. That was a basic overview to answer the question, what is a mask? Masks are powerful. They provide tremendous non-destructive flexibility for editing and compositing. The concept is pretty simple if you remember these two things. First, masks non-destructively hide layer content. Second, white areas reveal and black areas conceal. We will dive deeper into how to work with layer masks when we get into the Photoshop lessons. Photoshop and Lightroom both offer masking for non-destructive, selective image editing. Although the masks look similar, they are actually quite different. In Photoshop, non-destructive image edits are done with adjustment layers found in the Layers panel. Masks